Question 18. According to the system of equations above, what is the value of x? Now, again, system of equations, I'm going to show you two ways to do it. The first is the long way, and then I'm going to show you a shortcut. So with two variables and two equations, we want to try to set the equations equal to each other and eliminate one variable. So in this case, since we're asked to solve for the value of x, let's set both equations where we get the y on its own. So x plus y equals -9. Subtract x from both sides, and we have y equals -x minus 9. And x plus 2y equals -25. So again, subtract x from both sides and divide both sides by 2. And we have y equals -1/2 x minus 25/2. So now we have both sides where they're expressed in terms of y, which means we can set these two equations equal to each other. -x minus 9 equals -1/2 x minus 25/2. And we want to get all the x's on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So we're going to add 1/2 x, which cancels that out, plus 1/2 x, and add 9 to cancel out this -9 plus 9. So let's rewrite this. We have 1/2 x minus x equals -25/2 plus 9. And here, order of operations, what we have is 1/2 minus 1 times x equals, and adding fractions, so to get a common denominator, we're going to multiply by 2/2, which is 18 on top. So we have minus 25/2 plus 18/2 on this side. So we finished doing the math. Minus 1/2 x equals -25 plus 18 is 7, -7/2. And to get the x alone, we divide both sides by -1/2 or multiply both sides by -2. That cancels out, times -2. Let's pay attention to the signs. Negative times a negative is a positive, and now the 2's cancel out. X equals 7. And that's your answer. So that was the long way. Let me show you the SAT shortcut. So again, we have a system of equations. X plus y equals -9, and x plus y, 2y, equals -25. Solve for x, which means I want to eliminate the y. And now if I treat the system of equations as an equation, in order to get 2y, I can multiply this entire equation by 2. So that gives me 2x plus 2y equals, and by multiplied by 2 I mean multiplying both sides of the equal sign, equals negative 18. And I don't have to change this second equation, but now I can basically subtract this entire equation, bottom equation, from the top one, which allows me to cancel out the two y's. 2x minus 1x is x, and 18 minus negative 25, which actually makes it positive. So 25 minus 18 equals 7. See how much quicker that was? And we came up with the same solution, x equals 7.